over there. All right, and they were not allowed to live in any part of the city, any other part of the city. And as I already told you, the professions followed by the Jewish were mostly farmers and traders, and they dealt in money. They were stereotyped as being power hungry. Since they worked in trade and finance, they were stereotyped as being power hungry. They were also told to be obsessed with money because some worked in trade and finance. And they were stigmatized. All right. They were blamed for killing Christians, especially little children, to offer blood for ritualistic purposes. And they were also accused of poisoning wells of Christians. All right. And these stories, they were handed down from generation to generation and became deeply rooted. Okay, we still have these stereotypes still today. Now we all know during the Second World War or during the 90s and the 1920s and the 30s and the 40s, the predicament of the Jewish people. Murder of around 6 million Jews in the Holocaust is an extreme example of anti-Semitism. All right. They were considered, the Jewish people were considered inferior in Germany. That is, during the rise of Hitler and Nazi, it became amplified. Anti-Semitism became amplified. During 1920s, Hitler and Nazi made Jews into scapegoat. They were blamed for economic ruin of the country and also their defeat in the First World War. They were also they were not allowed to marry Germans, not allowed into many professions, and they lived in ghettos. Now the Holocaust, 1941, where rampant killing of Jews began with the sole intention of terminating the Jewish race. There were gas chambers, there were concentration camps, as which became an accursed place for the Jews. Now we come to yellow badge. These were badges which were allotted to the Jewish people. They had to wear it. So as, and these were also called the badge of shame. Okay. These were worn by the Jewish people to be identified as Jewish, and Nazi officials implemented the Jewish badge as identifying badge to mark Jews between 1939 and 1945. They did it so as a systematic manner as a prelude to deporting Jews to ghettos and killing centers in German-occupied Eastern Europe. And they were also made to wear these badges during the Middle Ages. And these badges marked them as an ethnic outsider and also served as a badge of shame. Now we see some of the pictures over here, some Jewish children wearing badge, some adults wearing badge over here. And we have some pictures from the concentration camps where the Jewish people were starved and most often taken to gas chambers to be killed. Are we clear with Jewish history, a brief history? Any question?
No, ma'am, we understood.
Alright, so in Act 1, Scene 3, we come across one of the strongest characters in the drama, that is Shylock. And he is a Jew. Alright. Now, someone please read the introduction of the play of this scene.
In this scene, Shylock, the Jewish moneylender, is introduced. He is the most powerful
Dramatic
drama,
figure.
dramatic figure in the play. Shylock's hatred for Antonio intensifies the drama, having been having
Ridicule.
been ridiculed by
Antonio.
Antonio for years. He does not want to lend money to his friend Bassanio, but foreseeing as opponent take his revenge on Antonio, he agrees to give the loan on a bond which could allow Shylock cut off a pound of Antonio's flesh. If he fails to repay the loan in time, the bond story is
The main plot.
the main plot around which all action in the play takes place.
Okay,
Scene
Archishman.
3.
Okay, let us just read the introduction. In the scene, Shylock, the Jewish moneylender, is introduced. Finally, we come across Shylock. He is the most powerful dramatic figure in the play. Shylock's hatred for Antonio intensifies the drama. Shylock hates Antonio and having been ridiculed by Antonio for years, he does not want to lend money to his friend Bassanio. Why does Shylock hate Antonio class 8? Hated by Shylock. Class 8, come on, answer.
Because Shylock was a Jew.
And for so many years. Therefore, they hated each other. But foreseeing an opportunity to take revenge on Antonio, he agrees to give the loan on a bond, which should allow and Shylock to cut off pound of Antonio's flesh. So, since Antonio has ridiculed Shylock for so many years, Shylock did not want to loan Bassanio the money that he requires. However, he sees this as an opportunity to take revenge. Now, how he plans to take a revenge, which would allow Shylock to cut off a pound of Antonio's flesh if he fails to repay the loan in time. So, how will he get revenge? By cutting off a pound of his flesh if Antonio is not able to pay back the loan. The Bond story is the main plot, and this the bond between Antonio and Shylock, this is the main plot of the drama, around which the action in the play takes place.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक
Shylock. I hope you all remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Bassanio wanted some money, and he gave a long speech about his childhood experience when he shot one arrow, etc., etc. However, Antonio said that he does not have any ready cash. Therefore, they are about to borrow money from other moneylenders from Venice. Now, Bassanio has come to Shylock to borrow money. Now, scene 3 again takes place in Venice. Scene 2 takes place in Belmont, Portia's palace. Scene 3 takes place in Venice, a public place. Enter Bassanio and Shylock, and two characters are present right now. Shylock. Someone please read Shylock's part. Who will become Shylock today?
3,000 ducats.
Okay, Archishman, wait. Archishman, and who will play Bassanio's part? Someone please volunteer to read Bassanio's part.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर
Ankit Basu, are you there? Don't waste time, class 8A. Quickly respond.
Salse.
Yes, Anish, are you there? Okay, you Anish, you read Bassanio's part. Archishman, you read Shylock's part. Come on. Come on.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, begin, Archushman.
Okay, ma'am. Shylock, 3,000 ducats. Well,
Anish?
A served for 3 months.
for 3 months. Well,
For the which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound.
Antonio shall become bound. Well,
May you steed me, will you?
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण
oh, no. My meaning is saying he is a good man, is to have you
Archushman, you
understand me.
jumped apart.
Please skip. Skip.
3,000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio
Okay, ma'am.
bound.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the screen is
Line 10.
zoomed. No.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. 3,000 ducats for 3 months. And Antonio bound.
Your answer to that.
Antonio is a good man.
Have you heard of any imputation to the contrary?
Oh, no. My meaning is saying he is a good man. Is to have you understand me that he is sufficient. Yet his means are in supposition. He hath an argosy bound to Tripolis, another to the Indies. I understand moreover upon the Rialto, the hath a third at Mexico, a fourth for England, and other ventures he hath squandered abroad, but ships are but oars, sailors but sailors but men. There be land rats and water thieves and land thieves. I mean pirates, and then there is the peril of water, winds, and rocks. The man is notwithstanding sufficient. 3 sound decades, I think I may take his bound.
If heard, you may.
Shylock, last part. I will be assured I may, and that I be assured. I will bethink the me. May I speak with Antonio?
Please, you do dine with us. It's 38 page number.
Okay, Anish, let me just explain these parts, okay? Thank you, Anish and Archushman. Now we have Venice, scene 3, Venice, a public place. We have two characters at the beginning of the scene, that is Bassanio and Shylock. Now, Shylock has already been told that Bassanio requires money. So he's answering 3,000 ducats. Well, ducats means Venetian gold coins, okay? So Bassanio needs 3,000 gold coins or ducats. Bassanio, yes, sir, for 3 months. So please lend me 3,000 ducats for 3 months. Shylock, for 3 months. Well, he is pondering now whether to loan him money or not. Bassanio, for the which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound. So Bassanio is saying, and for this, Antonio will be bound. He will be the security. He will be the guarantee. Shylock, Antonio shall become bound. Well, now he is little interested, okay? Bassanio, may you stead me? Let me change the slide. May you stead me means will you help me? Will you pleasure me? Means will you oblige me? Shall I know your answer? Shylock. Now see, Bassanio is losing his patience, okay? He wants to know whether Shylock will lend him money. Shylock, 3,000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio bound. Bassanio, your answer to that? Antonio is a good man, Shylock says. Have you heard any imputation to the contrary? So Bassanio says, have you heard anything that would prove him to be bad, not good? So Antonio says, oh, no. My meaning in saying that he is a good man is to have you understand me, have you understand me that he is sufficient. So, but Shylock does not call him good in